Have you just escaped from there?
See what you've done there.
Yeah.
See what you've done. Very clever. Swift Escape 674.
2018. Yeah.
Thank you. 34,000 miles.
Mm.
Oh, good service history, Kev. Yeah. Had a full service a few thousand miles ago. 120 watt solar panel. Yeah. Fresh water capacity.
100.
Yeah. Let me get this one. Wastewater.
68.
You cheat.
I just knew it.
No.
No, I'm well up on Swift, you see. So. You're gutted now, I got it right, aren't you?
Yeah. Right.
There's your little bubble, that, isn't it?
Awning. Gas bottle. Let's have a look around on the side. Access.
Storage.
What's the layout going to be?
And lounge. So you got storage there.
Yeah.
Yeah. You got 3 windows. It's got to be end lounge.
Okay.
Big fridge.
Big fridge. It's going to be a bit slanty, this fridge, isn't it? Oh no, it's in line.
And you got your flue for your trimmer.
Yeah.
Cassette toilet. You got a little 12 volt there for you pump your water in.
Okay. It's 130 brake horsepower, 2.3 litre and diesel.
So it's a cam belt.
Yeah, it looks like, doesn't it?
Yep.
Right, so we're going to have a look at it.
Mm-hmm. You can go for years, these Escapes, haven't they? Swift Escape.
Yeah.
Got mounting brackets for a
I
bike.
call them bread and butter vans.
Yeah.
They're bread and butter. I think the Swifts are the Ford of the motorhome industry.
And they're British built.
Yes.
Got a Union Jack on it, look, to prove it.
Oh, I like this, Kev. I like this.
Oh, yeah, change the interior a bit, haven't they? The trim. The upholstery.
Do the cab, Kev.
Do the cab, Kev. Kev's cab.
Cab's Kev.
Yep. It's your typical Fiat cab. Yeah. Your little media pack there. You got side blinds. You got blind across your windscreen. 6-speed manual. Aircon. Cruise control. 2 shovelly seats.
I do like this.
Yeah.
I do like the little surrounds.
Same on this side here.
Yeah. With the lockers.
And you got your 2 extra seat belts there, so we've got 4 belts.
Yeah, this is going to make some type of a bed.
Yeah, that middle bit lifts out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So when you're travelling.
So it's, I mean, ideally, because we've got a bed above us, yeah? Got a drop, yeah. Well, you don't bang your head on that because the bed's been lowered, that's why.
I'll put the light on so I can see.
Yeah, so we've got a drop down bed.
Yeah.
A manual drop down bed, is it? Yep. Yep.
Nice little lounge, isn't it?
Yeah.
Pole.
Yeah, pole for the table.
Yeah. And our traditional lifty uppy thing.
Lifty uppy thing.
Yeah.
3 burner hob.
You say this is manual?
It's got a button on it there, so I'd say it was.
You sure?
Why has it got that button there?
I don't know, Kevin. The button's not lifting in.
There you go.
What do you mean, there you go? You've just lifted it up. Kevin broke it. Oh, hang on.
Hang on, I've got my head under it. It needed lifting at this end just to unlock it.
Yeah.
So there's your drop down bed. Yeah.
It's not a big 2-berth, is it? Oh, I suppose.
No.
Cuts in here a little bit. It's passable, isn't it?
Yeah. I'd put this as a comfy 3-berth. Oh, you get two children, but then again, you don't really want to be putting small children up here, do you?
Does that turn the lights on?
Yeah.
I'd be like an army light to come on now.
Yeah.
I like that.
Mm-hmm.
Right, shall we lift up?
Yeah.
Oof.
Oh, I keep going till it locks.
Yeah.
No, you're not locked.
I'll do.
That's not in the full lock position. We've still got a gap above.
Yeah, I want the gap
Which
above though.
we need the gap above, because when it's standing, you'll get condensation build up and you get a bit of mould on your mattress.
Yeah. Have I got lights on here, Kev? I don't know if I have or not. There you go. Right. 3-burner.
Yep. Combined oven grill.
Yeah.
Microwave.
Bit of a change on the drawers. Oh. Right.
Not soft close.
As we see, decent enough.
Yeah.
Kitchen area. Oh, my God.
More storage.
Oh. Oh, okay.
Got
I like
a
that.
bifold door, yeah.
Yeah.
Draining board there as well for your sink. Made that bifold so you've got access for your fridge and all that.
Yeah. Combined or separate?
Definite combined.
Definite. Take it away then.
Yours are in the Swift, yeah. So you got your, like a wet room basically. Decent sized wash basin. You got your shower there. There's your shower. Swivelly toilet. Nice, good sized wet room.
Isn't it?
Yeah. And you've got skylight in there as well.
Oh, good taps as well.
Yeah.
Good taps.
And even if you replace that one, Jason, you couldn't get it wrong, would you? Eh? Could you, Jason?
Go on, don't tell everyone.
Jason had to replace the tap, so he replaced the tap. Yeah. The sink had a drop down lid. So Jason fitted the tap. Didn't think about it. The tap was turned the wrong way. Lid wouldn't come down, would it? Schoolboy error.
It wasn't that, Kev. I wanted to show you. I wanted to show you, basically, and see if you'd spotted the mistake, and you never spotted it.
I wasn't here, Jason. I was on holiday.
Yes, you were, Kev. Yeah. 2 plugs. Right, now this is nice. It feels
good sized fridge,
isn't it?
Well, you got a cool box at the bottom as well, have you?
No.
Oh no, cupboard. Good sized fridge, that.
I like that. I do like that, Kev, I must admit.
I think you got a removable freezer unit as well, haven't you?
Yeah, you have, yeah.
So you can just have it as a fridge.
A fridge? Yeah. Then again, a bit of storage above, haven't we?
Is it a 3-way fridge or is it?
Oh, it drives me potty, that does, Kev.
Jason, it goes off anyway.
I don't care. Oh, what have we got here? We've got a satellite system, have we?
Ah, yeah, yeah. Ah.
Let me see if I can get it go up. Whoa, look at that. God, that's a big one, isn't it, Kev?
Isn't it?
Look at the bloody size of that. Look at that. Ooh. So we've got satellite, Kev.
We have.
This, I'm guessing, it's got to, hasn't it?
Yep.
Yeah.
Pull out double.
There we go, double bed. There. Plenty of storage under there, Kev.
Yep. You could take them back cushions off, you could have them as 2 singles, couldn't you?
Easy.
Yeah, yeah.
Easy 2 singles. Giving a lot, this van, as you know. Storage there's water treated on there. Yeah, this van's giving a lot, you know.
Yep.
What's the heating system on it?
Truma.
Look, it's giving even more. Look, what have we got here, Kev?
Electric waste and freshwater tank drains.
Yeah, so electronic, aren't they?
Yep.
So just press the button, it'll automatically dump out your fresh water or your waste. We forgot the microwave. Lines for ice creams.
We didn't. I did mention the microwave, but you weren't listening.
Oh, okay. This is nice. This is a nice van. This is a nice van for family, and this is a nice van to go away in a long time. Didn't see this either, Kev. Like,
Yep, wardrobe.
nice big wardrobe.
Yeah.
No. As well. Nice bit of a curtain. So we've got the option of a nice lounge area. We've got the diner to the front. You could keep this up as a bed. You could drop the front one down as a bed as well.
Yeah.
You've got options. You've got options to take people away if you want to. It's all these spotlights. God, there's a button for every spotlight, Kev.
Yep.
So, skylight above. Have you got skylight above you?
Skylight there.
Yeah.
We've got a big one at the front. Yeah, opening one at the front as well. Got your little reading lights here.
This feels nice, Kev. It's got a nice vibe to it.
Nice fun, isn't it?
It is a nice van.
You're a long way off down there.
So, what was the length of it, Kev? Let's have a look for you. 7.41 metres. So it's quite a big van.
Yeah.
But it's got a good vibe. I do like it.
Do we say about right?
Oh, what? What's
It's got a tracker, Swift Command tracker.
It's got everything.
Yep.
It's got everything, Kev. I like this van.
Yeah, we've got satellite. Yeah. Good service history, really good service
Really
history.
good. I noticed that about the service history.
Yeah.
Really good. What's it like up here?
What are we weight mark wise? I'm just looking at it. Oh, 3,500 to drive it on an ordinary license.
Yeah. Yeah. This area I'd have is eating area.
Yeah.
This what I'd have. Right? Good nice area for your cooking or whatever you need to do. Yeah. This, I like this. This is my evening spot.
Yeah.
Don't you think?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. I've got windows all around. You can have a good old nose.
Even this dinette area is a good size, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. But this feels nice here, Kev. It does feel nice. This is a nice van. This is a good touring van for spending a lot of time on the road with, Kev. I like this van. Under 50 grand, so it's 46 odd thousand.
Yeah.
So that's not a bad price for something like this. This is a nice van.
Is it a 2018 or 2019? Because it's on a 68, isn't it?
68 plate, isn't it?
68, so we're
Yeah.
2018, yeah.
Definitely 18.
September 2018.
Yeah, September. This is nice. This is a nice van. I'm impressed with this van, Kev.
Yep.
Got the curves there as well. Why is it called a 674?
It's 7.4
6
metres.
Ah, 7.4 metres. It's a 6 berth. 674. That's quite clever.
But it's only got 4 belted seats.
Yeah. 2 people will be quite happy with this, you know.
Yeah.
It's touring around. I do like this van. Yeah, Swift Escape 674. This is a nice van. If you've enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in another one.
They react like glasses. They're my prescription glasses.
The shades.
No, they're not.
Ah, put them back on again.
The Jeff Banks.
Who's Jeff Banks?
I don't know.